Hello. Today I'd like to discuss the air handling unit for life, as I like to call it. What is this all about? All companies nowadays are saving money. They want cheap production, big profits. They think of the marketing, the margins, to earn as much as possible. We came up with the idea that we will do it the other way around and do it at a price for the average Joe. We came up with the idea to make a unit with acid-resistant steel inside. This is the first unit of this kind. This is a unit to be installed in a house and meant to last the entire lifetime of that house. So we buy it once and have it for life. Some say it's impossible. It is possible because this unit is modular. You have access to everything. You have special frames here for fans. The frame can be unscrewed and you can modify or replace this frame at any point and easily change the fan. It's made so that you have immediate access to the exchanger. You can replace it and take it out. It's designed so that you have access to the actuator. You can put your hand in, unscrew it. You just need a regular Phillips screwdriver. I can unscrew it immediately. Similarly, I can unscrew these fans for you in 30 seconds. It's all about simplicity. There's no rocket science here. What is this all about? On this side here there is a controller mounted at the side unit. At the top the cables are also laid out in such a way that there is a bit of excess, so you can connect them, cut them, or even access this little box later. See, here you have the fan, a passage, and what can we do? We can pull cables through here. We can use the old ones. It should work. We can move everything. You have the best of everything in these units. You have EBM fans, Belimo actuators. The ionizer is of course our idea. They are very good, very durable. The ionizer costs 20-30 zloty. There is a wire there and a core or reke exchanger. It can be pulled out, inserted, and it's done. The filters in these units are cassette filters. I'm having a problem pulling it out because of the way it is positioned. I don't want to mess things up. See, it only takes a minute to replace it, disassemble it, and you'll see two frames made of acid-resistant steel. We insert one cassette into the other. That's how it's done. Now, this unit does have a flaw. I'll tell you in a moment what the flaw is. Let's be honest here. What will happen here? See this layer of insulation? After 2 or 3 years, it will settle, become compressed, and it will need to be replaced. That's just how this unit is. If you install it, you'll have it in your home for a lifetime, and we're starting to make these units at a price for the average Joe, so they will cost 9,800 and so on. Made entirely of acid-resistant steel, fully hygienic. If you're afraid of plastic, of EPS, they're not used here. Precisely. So here you have an acid-resistant steel unit that we're beginning to manufacture. Of course, we are still going to be improving it so that it works even better, because these are the first prototypes, but we already know what we messed up, what is not right. It's just a matter of time and it will be introduced. And here you have a unit for the average Joe at a price that Joe can pay, and then he has a unit for life. I wonder, some companies charge 15 or 20,000 for a unit and they don't offer anything. Here you have at least 4 or 5 sheets of acid-resistant steel. The only drawback is the rubber mat. which will wear out and need to be replaced every 3 or 4 years. But the cost of a rubber mat is, as of today, 80 or 100 zloty. And the only drawback is that it's heavy during installation because it weighs, say, 60 or 70 kilograms. It takes some effort to install it, otherwise it has only advantages. It's made in such a way that you can disassemble it. Use a different exchanger, do whatever you want. You can see the filters, you can replace the engine and so on. It's like an acid-resistant steel VW Beetle. That's my goal. When you pay, you should get a quality product. And once again, the control here is a touch panel, a display. The controller can be replaced at any point. A different one can be used, so that if my company goes belly up, if something isn't working right, you can install a different controller here without any issue with the panel. The wiring is there and everything works. That was our goal, to make a simple yet practical unit from acid-resistant steel. And I think we achieved that goal, meaning we offer a premium product at a price for the average person. As I said, no company in Europe or in Poland today dares to make units with acid-resistant steel inside due to costs. We were the first to start doing it. Of course, we still need to line it a bit with rubber matting here to prevent water from condensing. I see some basic things to be done to prevent condensation. It's just a matter of lining it in a few places with rubber matting and you'll have a very decent unit. At the exhaust and the intake here, everything must be lined with natural rubber matting. That's all I wanted to say. That's our company growth. We're improving, getting more precise, and as I said, we offer this as a premium product for the average Joe.